Imagine getting a phone call that changes your life, a surgery, a medical emergency, an unexpected dental procedure, a hospital bill in your insurance refuses to fully cover, and suddenly you are starting at a number so large it feels unreal. $5,000, $12,000, $40,000, may even more. Now here's the terrifying part. In America, medical debt is one of the biggest reason people fall into long-term financial stress. Not because they were irresponsible, not because they bought luxury cars, not because they gambled money away. And in 2026, million of Americans are quietly using personal loan just to surviving rising healthcare cost, but choosing the wrong medical loan. That mistake could trap you in debt for years. Some lenders charge massive hidden fees, some target desperate borrowers, and some loans that took cheap at first become financial nightmares later. So in this video we are breaking down the best medical loans in the America right now. We will cover which lenders offer that the fastest funding, which ones have no fees, which works best for bad credit, which lenders are best for large surgeries, and which medical financing option secretly cost you thousand. And trust me, there are a few surprise on this list because the smartest medical loan isn't always one people expect. Let's begin. Why medical debt is exploding? Healthcare in America is expensive. Everyone knows that. But most people don't fully understand how expensive until it happens to them personally. A single emergency room visit can cost thousand. A dental implant several thousand more. Cosmetic surgery, fertility treatment, veterinary emergencies, specialized procedure, out of network bills. Insurance often help, but sometimes it barely scratches the surface. And when people don't have enough saving, they start looking for solution. That's where medical loans enter the picture. A medical loan is usually just a personal loan used specifically for healthcare expense. The money can help cover surgeries, dental work, fertility treatment, emergency bills, cosmetic procedure, rehabilitation, hospital expenses, even funeral or veterinary cost in some cases. But here's what most people get wrong. They focus only on getting approved, and desperate borrowers often make expensive decisions because when we are stressed, you stop comparing details. That's exactly how lenders make money. Smart borrowers compare APRs, organization fees, repayment flexibility, funding speed, customer support, and total repayment cost, not just monthly payments. So today we are going lender by lender, breaking down exactly who each loan works best for. And we are starting with one of the strongest overall option in the credit union world. Number 1. First State Federal Credit Union, best overall medical loan. Imagine needing surgery but not wanting your first payment immediately. That breathing room matters, especially during recovery. That one reason First State Federal Credit Union stand out. Unlike many lenders that immediately starting demanding payment, First Take allows qualified borrowers to defer their first payment up to 45 days. That flexibility can be incredibly valuable during medical situation. Here's what the lenders offers: the loan amount from $5,000 to $50,000. Repayment terms from 6 to 84 months. No application fee, no organization fee, same day funding possible. And perhaps most importantly, most loans are approved within one business day. Now think about how important speed become during emergencies. Nobody wants to wait a week while medical bills fill up. The biggest downside: you must become a credit union member, and now borrowers dislike membership requirement. Still, for people seeking flexibility, low fees, and fast approvals, First Take is one of the strongest medical financial option available in 2026. But what if your biggest concern isn't flexibility? What if you simply want to the lowest borrowing cost possibly? Then the next lender becomes very important. Number 2. PenFed Credit Union, best for low fees. One of the biggest trap in personal lending is hidden fees. Some borrowers lose hundreds or even thousands of dollars before they even receive the money. Organization fee, application fee, prepayment penalties. It adds up fast. That's why PenFed Credit Union remains so attractive because compared to many competitors, its structure feels refreshingly simple. PenFed offers loan from $600 to $50,000. Repayment terms from 12 to 60 months. Competitive APRs, zero organization fee, zero prepayment penalties, and in a world fully hidden charges, that simplicity matters. Now there is a catch. You must become a member, and to join you will need to open a saving account with at least a small deposit. Still, for borrowers who value low cost financing, PenFed is difficult to ignore. Number 3, US Bank, best for existing bank customers. Here's something many people underestimate: bank reward loyalty. And if you already have a relationship with a lender, you may unlock faster approvals, larger loans amount, and better repayment terms. That's where US Bank shine. Current customers may qualify for repayment terms up to 84 months, fast funding within hours, automatic payment discount, competitive rates. Loan amount range from $1,000 to $50,000, but there is important detail. Non-customers may only borrow up to $25,000, and borrowers often need extremely strong credit to qualify for the best rate. Still, for existing customers with good credit, this can be one of the smoother borrowing experience available. Next is a Wells Fargo, best for large medical expense. Medical emergencies don't allow cost a few $1,000s. Sometimes the numbers become overwhelming. Complex surgery, specialized treatment, long-term medical care. That's where large personal loan become important, and Wells Fargo offers some of the largest loan limit on this list. Borrowers may access up to 1,00,000. Repayment terms up to 84 months. No organization fee, no prepayment penalties. Qualified borrowers may even receive interest rate discounts, but approval usually requires good to excellent credit. And Wells Fargo has faced regulatory conservatives in recent years. That reputation issues matter to some borrowers. Still, for large medical financing needs, Wells Fargo remain one of the most powerful options available. Next is Alliant Credit Union, best for fast digital experience. Modern borrower expect a speed. Nobody wants endless paperwork during a stressful medical situation. That's why digital first lenders and credit unions have exploded in popularity. Alliant Credit Union builds its reputation around simplicity and fast processing. Borrowers may receive same-day funding, fast application processing, loan amount from $1,000 to $1,00,000. That flexibility makes Alliant attractive for both small and large medical expense. But there's an important limitation. You must be a member for at least 90 days before qualifying, and there's no pre-qualification tool, so borrowers cannot easily check estimated rates beforehand. Still, for digitally focused borrowers, Alliant remain a strong contender. Now let's talk about one of the most popular names in consumer lending, a lender many Americans already recognize, but surprisingly this company become one of the cleanest option for medical financing too. So we talk about Discover, best for no fee borrowing. Imagine getting a loan without worrying about organization fees, application fees, hidden charges. That's the appeal behind Discover. The lender offers repayment terms up to 84 months. Fast next day funding, competitive interest rate, zero organization fees. For borrowers with a strong credit, this can dramatically reduce borrowing cost. But there are trade-offs. Discover does not allow co-signers, and borrowers with weaker credit profile may struggle to qualify. Still, for financially stable borrowers seeking straightforward finance, Discover remain one of the cleaner lender in America. Next is a LightStream by Trust, best for excellent credit borrowers. Some borrower doesn't just want approval, they want the best rates, the best borrowing experience, and the ability to finance nearly anything. That's where Lightstream entered the conversion. Lightstream became famous for offering high loan limit, low APRs, no fees, and fast funding. Borrowers may access loans from $5,000 to $1 lakh. Same day funding, no late fees, no prepayment penalties. But this lender target borrowers with a strong financial profiles, meaning good credit, stable income, years of credit history. If you qualify, Lightstream can be one of the most affordable borrowing option available. Now next is Upstart, best for bad or limited credit. Now let's talk about something important. Not everyone has perfect credit, and medical emergency don't wait for credit score to improve. That's why Upstart become incredibly popular. Instead of focusing only on credit history, Upstart may also consider education, employment, future earning potential. That's create opportunities for borrowers who traditional banks often reject. Upstart offers funding as fast as 24 hours, approval for some bad credit borrowers, flexible qualification standards. But there's a warning. Organization fees can be high and APRs may become expensive. So while Upstart increase access, borrowers must carefully compare total repayment cost. Still, for borrowers with a limited credit option, this lender can provide critical financial breathing room. Next is Navy Federal Credit Union, best for military families. Military households face unique financial challenges, deployments, relocation, family transition, unexpected expense, and sadly, service members have historically been targeted by predatory lenders. That's why Navy Federal matters. This lender focus especially on active duty service members, veterans, military families, Department of Defense civilians. Navy Federal offers competitive APRs, same-day funding, flexible loan amount, strong customer support. But membership restriction apply. If you qualify tough, that may be one of the safest and most affordable borrowing environment available. Now SoFi, best premium online lender. SoFi doesn't just market loans, it market an entire financial lifestyle, and in 2026 that strategically worked. Millions of Americans now recognize SoFi as one of the most modern financial brands in the country. Its medical loan advantage included no fees, competitive rates, co-borrowers option, loan amount up to $1 lakh, same day funding, but there a limitation. The minimum loan amount is start at $5,000, so this lender may not work well for smaller medical bills. Still, for borrowers seeking large premium style financing and a strong digital tools, SoFi remains one of the top names in the online lending. Next is Citi, best for existing Citi customers. Existing banking relationship matters, and Citi rewards current customers with potentially same day funding. That speed become extremely valuable during emergencies. Other advantage including personalized rates, no organization fee, no hard credit inquiry during pre-qualification. But loan amount and repayment terms are somewhat limited compared to competitor, and Citi has faced legal and regulatory concern in recent years. Still, for loyal Citi customers needing fast financing, this lender deserves consideration. Next is Lending Club, best for fair credit borrowers. Many Americans sit in the middle, not a terrible credit, not excellent credit, just average financial profiles. That's where Lending Club often become useful. The lender allows loan as low as $1,000, joint application, fair credit consideration, but organization fees may apply, and those fees can quickly increase borrowing cost. This is why borrowers should never focus only on monthly payment, because total repayment cost matters for more long term. Next is Lending Point, best for longer repayment terms with fair credit. Imagine getting hit with a medical expense you simply cannot pay immediately. Maybe it's emergency dental surgery, physical rehabilitation, fertility treatment, unexpected hospital debt, and how you are trying to keep a monthly payment manageable. That's where a lending point becomes interesting. Unlike some lenders that only offer short repayment windows, a lending point gives borrowers terms up to 72 months. That longer timeline can significantly lower monthly payment, and psychologically that matter because when people feel trapped financially, stress skyrockets. Lending point also look beyond just credit score. The lender may evaluate income stability, employment history, financial behavior, which gives some fair credit borrowers a better chance at approval. Loan details included $1,000 to $36,500 loan amounts. Repayment terms from 24 to 72 months. Next day funding possible, but there a major warning. APR rates can reach nearly 36%. That's extremely expensive debt, and organization fees may climb as high as 10%. So while lending point increase accessibility, borrowers must compare total repayment cost carefully because lower monthly payment can hidden massive long-term interest cost. Still, for borrowers struggling to qualify elsewhere, lending point provide an important financial lifeline. Now next is PNC Bank, best traditional bank experience. Some people simply trust traditional banks more, and they want physical branches, established banking history, recognizable institution, and honestly, that comfort matters during stressful medical situation. PNC Bank focuses on borrowers seeking stability and simplicity. The lenders offers no organization fee, no prepayment penalties, autopay discounts, possible instant approval for qualified borrowers. And one underrated feature, pre-qualification. Many borrowers fear checking rates because they were about hurting their credit score. PNC may allow some applicant to preview offers first. That reduce uncertainty. But there are limitations. Personal loans are not available in every state, and PNC doesn't clearly disclose credit score requirements upfront. Still, for borrowers who already bank with PNC, the process can feel smooth, familiar, and less intimidating than never online lenders. Next is Rocket Loans, best for emergency medical funding. Now let's talk about urgency because sometimes a medical situation cannot wait. A surgery deposit, emergency treatment, urgent medical travel, critical dental work. In those moments, speed becomes everything. That's where Rocket Loans build its reputation. Fast application, fast approval, fast money. Qualified borrowers may receive funds the same day. Think about how powerful that is during emergencies. A Rocket Loans offers a borrowing up to $75,000 fully online application, soft credit pre-qualification, same day funding for approved applicant. The process feels modern and streamlined. But there's a trade-off. Organization fees may reach nearly 10%. That's substantial. And loan terms are limited to 36 months or 60 months. So while Rocket Loans excels at speed, borrowers should avoid panic borrowing because emergency discussion often become expensive discussion. Still, for urgent healthcare financing, few lenders move faster. Next is Upgrade, best for flexible online loan option. Upgrade become popular because it is simplifying borrowing. Everything happens online, and for modern borrowers that convenience matters, especially during stressful medical situation when nobody wants endless paperwork. Upgrade offers secured and unsecured loans, loan amount up to $50,000. Flexible repayment terms, joint application options for some borrowers. This last feature matters more than people realize because combining incomes can improve approval odds, lower interest rate, increase borrowing power. Because combining incomes can improve approval odds, lower interest rate, increase borrowing power. Upgrade also appeals to borrowers seeking flexibility. Maybe someone needs a smaller dental loan, a medium-sized surgery loan, or large hospital financing. Upgrade can handle multiple borrowing range, but again, fees are the issue. Organization fees range from 1.85% up to nearly 10%, and APRs may approach 36%. That means borrowers with weaker credit profile could face expensive repayment cost. Still, for borrowers wanting a modern online borrowing experience with flexible structure, upgrade remain highly competitive. Next one is Oxos Bank, best for excellent credit borrowers. Some lenders target average borrowers. This lender focuses heavily on financially strong applicant, meaning high credit score, stable income, strong financial history. In fact, Oxos generally requires a credit score around 730 or higher. That's strict, but borrowers who qualify may unlock competitive rates, soft credit pre-qualification, fast approvals, reward checking perks, and importantly, checking rates typically won't hurt your credit score. That create a lower risk shopping experience. Access also offer funding within days, clean digital application, no organization fees, but there are limitation, no cosigner option, and borrower with excellent credit may still find better rates elsewhere depending on market condition. Still, for disciplined borrowers with elite credit profile, access can be an extremely attractive option. Next is Best Egg, best for high income borrowers. Best Egg occupies an interesting space in lending. It tries to attract financially stable borrowers seeking quick premium style funding, and the lender has built a surprisingly strong reputation for customer satisfaction. Best Egg offers secured and unsecured loans amounts from $2,000 to $50,000. Fast next day funding, strong customer service reviews. For borrowers with high income, strong credit, stable financial backgrounds, their rates can become very competitive. But there a catch. The qualify for the best rates borrowers often need credit score around 700 plus, annual income near six figure that immediately exclude many Americans, and organization fee may still approach 10%. So while Best Egg markets itself as a premium borrowing, the lenders clearly favors financially strong applicant. Still, for well-qualified borrowers needing fast medical financing, this can be powerful option. Next is Lending USA, best specialized healthcare financing. Now this lender is different. Most companies on this list offer general personal loan, but Lending USA especially focuses on healthcare related financing, and that specialization matters. That companies partners directly with healthcare providers, dentist, veterinary, clinical, funeral service providers, meaning borrowers may receive financial directly at the point of service. That changes the entire experience. Instead of scrabbling for money afterward, patients may secure financing immediately. And here's the most interesting feature. Some promotional financing offers zero interest if the balance is fully repaid within 6 months. Then can be incredibly valuable, especially for borrowers confident they can repay quick. Loan amount range up to $47,500 depending on used and qualification. But there are risks. APR rates may climb near 30%, and organization fees can still apply. Plus, availability varies by state. Still, for borrowers, especially financing healthcare process, Lending USA fills a unique niche many traditional lenders ignore. Next is Prosper, best for fair credit and co-applicants. Let's end the something important. Financial letbacks happen. Medical debt itself can damage credit. Job loss can damage credit. Life can damage credit. And many Americans searching for medical loans already feel financially vulnerable. That's why Prosper remains important. The lenders work the borrowers who credit score may be as low as 600. And unlike some competitors, Prosper allow co-applicant. That means spouses, family members, trusted partner can apply together, and combined application may improve approval odds significantly. Prosperous offers loans from $2,000 to $50,000. Next day funding, soft credit rates, check fixed repayment terms, but once again, fees matter. All Prosperous loan including organization fees and repayment terms max out 5 years. Still, for borrowers rebuilding financially, Prosper may offer opportunity traditional lenders reject completely. Now, after seeing all these lenders side by side, one thing's become obvious. The best medical loan depends entirely on your situation. Some borrowers need speed, other needs low rates, others simply needs approval. And understanding that differences can literally save thousands of dollars over time. Here's the truth. Nobody dreams about taking out a medical loan. People do it because life becomes unpredictable, and when health is involved, financial decisions suddenly become emotional. That's why the smartest borrowers slow down. They compare, they calculate, they think long term. Because a medical loan should create relief, not year of financial regret. And the differences between a smart loan and terrible loan can literally save thousands of dollars. Before taking any medical loan, remember these rules. Always compare APR, fees, repayment flexibility, funding speed, total loan cost, customer reviews. Never borrow more than necessary, and never rush into finance because of fear. Because the goal isn't just surviving a medical emergency, it's protecting your financial future too. If this video helped you better understand medical loans in America, make sure to subscribe for more personal finance and smart money content every single week. And comment below, would you ever use a medical loan? I read every comment. And remember, financial freedom isn't built in one day. It's built one smart financial decision at a time. Take care. Bye bye.